What's up, YouTube? It's Vic. I'm back, and today we at the auction again. It is actually auction day today, so they setting up. Look at that old Lincoln over there. I ain't doing no more SUVs right now. No more SUVs. Only small, cheap cars. 2013. That bitch got 203,000 miles on it. I ain't gonna be messing with that. Wrecked in the front, wrecked on the side. Damn, yeah, we at IAA today. That could come out. Nah, that bitch deep, boy. Creased right there. Stay away from those journeys as much as you can. Those journeys have a lot of transmission problems. If you want to get caught with a car with issues, fuck with them damn journeys. Thing ticking right there. We got a sold Nissan Altima 09. We got here pretty clean leather insides. I don't know if it's the SC. It's 115,000 miles. We got a little fender bender right there. Some paint faded here. So 112,000 miles. We got this thing here taped on. Back all messed up. It's all jacked up right here. Could probably get a new one of those. Both sides taped on. It's a clean ass Camry right here with 203,000 miles on it. This thing's clean, isn't it? We painted it. What year was it? They just get this thing all cleaned up. AC work, I think. Yep. Oh, I'm coming to drive this. I like this. It's a good flip car. It's ugly. Probably could get it cheap. Miles. This thing been cleaned up. AC work. Yep. Come back and try this thing. Just had one of these. One I had was an 05. This is a 04. A lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. Inside and out. AC work. Roads. Look at some other cars while I'm driving this. Go right behind that. Oh! Somebody coming behind me. Alright. We got an 04 Trailblazer. Fixing to drive this around. Another Range Rover. Old lowered Corolla. All right, I drove one of the cars all the way through. I know everything I want to go look at. Pretty much marked it all. I'm fixing to go back through and see what's going on. What's going on with that Sebring Touring? Nissan Sentra with oh shit, that wasp was right on my camera. All right, but 78,000 miles on it, real clean. And a little bit of scratches right there. This is right up my alley with stuff I'll be getting already. Kind of be sticking to these Nissans because I know them. I've been learning these Nissans, like I've been flipped so many of them and had to work on them to the point now where I know these cars. I feel like I know them. It's clean inside. We're gonna check out what's going on under the hood. Yeah, they cleaned it up real good. Everything working. Might be able to get us something here. Trying to bring y'all to these auctions, man. Where I look at these cars to try to motivate, because I know one day you go get up and you're gonna stop just watching the videos and you're gonna get out here and try to get you some of this money. That's what you need to do. Just get out here and try to get you some of this money on these cars. And stop just sitting on the sidelines watching. I know one day you're gonna apply everything that I'm telling you and everything that I'm going through, all my mistakes. You're gonna apply all of that and you're gonna win. That's why you should keep watching these videos, and if you ain't subscribed, go on and subscribe to the channel so you can see every video when it come out. And also, if you really support me, you'll like this video so that YouTube knows what's going on with it, and they'll put it in front of more people that want to see stuff like this. All right, so this was a 4-door. I don't know what it is about these Cobalts, but people treat them rough. This one up north car, it look like. Bumper kind of sagging a little bit. See if the AC work at least in it. It's not as dirty as the other one. We got the actuator door. This one needs to be cleaned also. It's a 2009. Just like the other one, got a few more miles on it than the other one did. Let's see if the AC working in this. Got these ostrich seats with a dead battery. Dead battery. Alright. Yeah, that camera was a no-go. It had a major issue with the, what is this? 2007 Dodge Caliber. Let's see what's going on here. Damn. Man, it's hot. Let's see what's going on up under the hood. This the one with the tape on top. I need to try that too. Forgot about that. This pretty clean. Little Dodge. No lights on. Ooh. Real bad shaking. And drive. No sir. With this, I think this was relatively good price. It's a Honda. No radio. Check engine light. It's a Honda, so AC work. And driving this one, window broke. The Ultima Nissan. I think I turned this one on already, but I ain't drive it. Go for a little small little drive. Whew. Walked around this one already. This is the one that got the little dings on it. Yeah, this one messed up battery. We looked at this one. I didn't drive it yet. Let's take it for a little test drive. Yeah, this is a good drive. There might be a little something wrong with it. I think it's a check engine light on. But
I think so.
that thing clean, bro. $116,000
Says it's got gas. It also says it's
Alright, we about to drive this little Mitsubishi Cobalt. It's an old beat up. Might be able to get this for real low. Real low. Let's take this bad boy for a test drive real quick. See if we can get what's a little diesel. Man, it's gonna be hard to squeeze out of here. Alright, we're finna check out this little Hemi right here. Clean. Look, it's got like lower or like maybe some airbags. Sport. This guy. We got airbags on it. JL clean selling it. Power selling. 5.7 real VO Water a little low, ain't it? We're going to take this thing for a test drive. Just taking crazy, man. Get away from you, boy. That bad boy. Woke up just then. Alright. 105,000 miles, 2016 Charger. It's the sport version. I'm guessing it has the airbag suspension because of that lowered stance it got like that. It's a real nice car though. I mean, shit. Very clean on the inside. Somebody get a nice car here. I ain't bidding on this. I'm not bidding on this, but I just wanted to take it for a little spin, a little drive. All right, we out. We done walked through the auction. I got a few cars that I got on my book. I'm gonna go back and take a further look at. And at 3 o'clock today, we will be bidding on a couple of cars. Go over here and check out this little Lincoln real quick if I'm allowed. Just kind of take a look at it from a distance. This thing is clean. Yeah, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, please go on and do so now. Also hit that bell notification so you're notified when I drop more videos like this. And until next time, peace. Super clean. It's a Continental. It is a 1969 Continental with 98,000 miles on it, Mark III. This thing is sweet. I need the light covers missing. It's a little bit of rust. This thing was taken care of, you could tell. Wow. Original insides, soon. Wonder how much this thing gonna go for. I'm gonna look it up so I can watch it.